Do you want your child to learn something more than what you know? Or do you want your child to be more patient and more communicative? Then frankly, Indian joint family system was the best solution what we had till last generation. Somehow I understand for this generation it is not working out for hundreds of reasons. Especially for NRI moms, it's even more difficult because they live in different countries, their parents are living in India, and then it's very difficult to communicate, travel, even if they are in the same state, maybe living in different two houses. And it's happening in metro cities as well in India. Somehow I feel that if the child has to learn something more than what your experience says, then experience of grandparents works a lot. Let me give my example. When I was growing up, I was very close to my grandmother. I can't believe that what I learned from her can any school teach me. No, it's not possible. And this is what I'm talking about. In today's time, communication is the key. And how do we improve that? Only it is possible when you have people around you. And rather than having maids and house help, who else are the better people? Of course, our own family, isn't it? So why not to have more communication, more interactions, and occasions like being, with them during the festivals or weekends. Take them to your grandparents or नाना नानी, चाचा चाची है, कितने सारे लोग हैं हमारे यहाँ पे तो family bonding and family values and family gathering has a great importance. It's part of our life. So if you want your child to be smarter and little bit more confident, this is the best way to inculcate Indian values into them. And this is also another very smart way of learning about our family and family roots and values and what we eat together, because obviously when we are going to come together we will eat something which everyone likes and something which is more traditional. This is how you introduce language, because your parents and I'm sure your nana nani or other log baki log jo hai, they are going to communicate in their own language or in their mother language. So this is how you preserve the language. I'm sure abhi bhi, not happening in a lot of places, but abhi bhi that generation is ready to wear the Indian outfits. So how do you introduce saris or salwars to them? Only through your parents, isn't it? Your nannies and other people are not going to wear those dresses and be with your child. So how else they will learn about our dressing styles and our traditional style of say material of the clothes, work, ये सब कहाँ से आएगा? This is where it will come from. And especially when you meet them during festivals, so then what will you do? You obviously have some prayers, some songs, some family bonding, some history. Aren't you going to discuss those things? So these things, something which child will learn on its own. You will not have to teach them in any class. I know as an NRI, mom, we generally take them to the temple or the community centers during the weekend. But more than that, where else? So I think a family gathering, family outing, when you have a good summer day, take them out on a park, but together with the family, and let them communicate with them, let them learn from them, because this is the best way to bond, to learn, and to foster our culture. Thank you.